Over this last while, it's fantastic just to see the sheer volume of people who want to get into endurance racing. I think it's a fantastic dimension of the sport. I can categorically state from my point of view, it is the best dimension of cycling I have ever been in my whole life. I love every moment of it. The people that are in it are a lovely group of people. They really are. So I would encourage everyone. I would be the first person to encourage you to try it. In Ireland now, it's really started to take off. We have a number of events. I was very fortunate to participate in the first race around Ireland when it came to Ireland at the start. So I have followed the legacy of it and what we have done, because we've obviously got so many questions, we have actually put together, my team and myself have put together a one-day workshop whereby we have a number of key aspects that you need to know and understand as to how to do this. It varies from the logistics of putting the team together, the logistics of moving it through the race, the administration that goes with that, the navigation of the race, and all the nutrition that goes with what your requirement will be on whatever it is of the journey that you decide to go on. We will give you help in relation to understanding the best way to ride through the night, how to set your bike up the best way. So all the aspects that's asked of you as a beginner, regardless of what the distance is, we've compiled it into a one-day workshop. We have built it in such a way that it's mobile. If you have a group of people and you want us to bring it around the country to where you are, we can easily do that. And we have located it on our new website. If you go to www.teamjoebarr.com, you will find all the details there.